year. I decided to pick up some seeds because I did read something last year saying that seeds would actually be banned. I don't know if it's true. But I can also tell you that when I planted these seeds last year, these, they didn't do too well, but something happened. I don't know if it was because the weather was bad or if they were just bad seeds. But, you know, they always say you can find the most of what is not good, right? Okay. So I got these just in case. I was looking for some better seeds, kind of like the organic ones. I think I had a couple of them here. Really hard to find. I couldn't find any. You know, the other ones that I saw, they weren't any better than these. So I guess I'm just gonna have to like do more trial and error this year. Double. Maybe I didn't have enough seeds. I don't know. I thought I had a ton of them, but so yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm just getting ready for, I guess gardening season or whatever. Few things. I'm gonna actually maybe put this stuff away because you never know. So that's why I have my little photo album, which a lot of people use to put their seeds in. Yeah. The goal really is not to buy anything to make use of what I have.